To enable server timeout settings in Valorant, follow these simple steps to adjust your game settings effectively. This guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly. Step 1. Open Valorant. Launch the Valorant game on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account now on the main menu. Step 2. Access Settings. Click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the main menu. This will open the settings menu where you can adjust various game options. Step 3. Navigate to Gameplay Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Gameplay tab. Click on it to access gameplay-related options, including server settings. Step 4. Adjust server timeout settings. Within the gameplay settings, find the option for server timeout or similar settings related to connection stability. Adjust the timeout duration to your preferred setting, ensuring it is set to 2025 if that option is available. Step 5. Save changes. After making the adjustments, be sure to click the Save or Apply button to confirm your changes. Exit the settings menu and return to the main game. By following these steps, you can successfully enable and adjust the server timeout settings in Valorant. Enjoy your gaming experience.